longenako Tabelo sasikhulumile nge-science research information and technology event la kaNgwane ukuthi limprove kangakanani live la kaNgwane. Njengamanje we are being joined by another amazing woman in the field of STEM. Sihalalisela sibongela bomake kulomkhakha we-STEM in ICT event la kaNgwane. Right now being joined by President Dr. Thabile Mdluli. Address kanjalo ke stage nami ngidaweni kanjalo. Thabile kusile kunjani?
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Yes.
Siyaphila. Tsine lamuhla, we are just excited to be here.
Mbukeli ke nangamati Dr. Thabile Mdluli Ndlovu, excuse me. Dr. Thabile Ndlovu rather. President wana organization mhlambe stati lesibita ukuthi Eswatini Academy of Sciences in the Kingdom of Eswatini. Sifuna kwathi ukuthi le academy lena yendani injongo yayo yini njengoba nyalo ihleti ibambisene ne Ministry of ICT yinde fisile ukuzuza yona academy, and of course what the future looks like, and of course answering a question that you might be also asking yourself, how do I join? How do I become, part of such an amazing academy? Dr. Ndlovu, asingene kuye academy. What is this academy about? Kulocala kugiva namuhla.
Sibonge kakhulu mlaleli. Maybe just to confirm your name again.
Nokuphila.
Nokuphila, yes. Thank you very much, Nokuphila. Kingdom of Eswatini Academy of Sciences is an academy that was established through the Ministry of ICT as a call from the African Union and also SADC as well. Go to all countries must have academies of sciences. We abbreviate ours Sitimanje IKIAS. But iroli Academy of Sciences internationally, worldwide, go advise a government on issues of national importance by providing scientific evidence, so that for decision-making purposes, they can have evidence letau guide a decision-making process.
Yes.
So as an academy, that is our role. We are relatively new in the country. I'm sure some of the people in the country, they have already interacted with us on different aspects.
Yes.
Where we've been really trying to raise awareness about the availability of the academy.
Okay.
But we are promoting science. We also promote women. Lesngagola here. It is part of our mandate, and also to promote scientists and also provide a voice, a scientific voice for government. Kahle kahle kufuna ngabe sisebenta hand in hand with government by providing scientific information for the government. For that reason, Emma Academies, they are basically a membership yakona. It's usually the high profile scientists in a country, because of the responsibility that they have. The membership is open. Of course, there's no application process as we speak, but you must be nominated.
You must be nominated.
And you are nominated based on your academic profile and your scientific output out there. So your scholarship should be there. Hence, recently we are working on establishing a young Academy of Sciences, which will groom younger scientists to become members of the, if I may put it, as of the senior academy.
Okay, so there's a room for everyone.
There's a room for everyone.
Before we get deep into that, assessbuke milestones. What are some of the things that you've accomplished in the past 3 years? In 2025, solo naqala Academy of Sciences in the country.
Yes, and we are still trying to get to where we are supposed to be. What we've really done, we've been aggressive about awareness about the academy out there. We are promoting scientists in the country. One of our mandates is also to recognize scientists in the country. I think the first one was Dr. Wisdom, when we identify the scientist of the year. Every year in October, we do have a science conference, which brings into the space all researchers as well as organizations that are in the science space that do research cutting across. When I say science, we also mean the social sciences
Oh,
as well.
nice.
It is
Okay.
not, because our lives are not just in one
Biology.
yeah, biology or chemistry, but the social sciences are also a very important aspect of our lives. So
Okay.
we do bring scientists and researchers from across the spectrum, also industries that also have interest in this. We also do bring them in and start the talks, because what we noticed was that in the past there was no platform for science related talks where we can understand what academia is doing, what industries are doing, and where do we
Bridge
find
that gap.
each other. So that's
Yeah.
what we have started to do. We have also participated in the African Union space, where I'm currently also a vice president for ASRIC, which
Nice.
is also an African. It's the African organization that's responsible for implementing STISA, which is the strategy for Africa for implementing science in general. So for the first time last year, I was also part of that committee. So as an academy, our voice is getting out there.
Out there, yeah.
But I think our future, we are looking towards, because right now we were still trying to market ourselves that we are here. We are looking at being aggressive in the policy space, because that is the main mandate for academies,
Yeah.
to say, provide the science, so that when we are making decisions, all the information is there,
Yeah.
and there's people who can guide on the science. We should not be compromised by politics and all the like. For us, we should be an independent body that provides information without fear of political alliance, and then the politicians will do their part with the right information.
Yeah.
Hopefully, that will take us to a good position.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I answered your questions.
Yes, you
the way-
have. You have. Angifuna nyalo singene ekutheni, what are some of the development programs that are there mhlambe lokusemagoli kwanyalo nifuna kusebentela kwawo, badile ukuthi the early stage or grassroots level ndakhona ukuthi bantwana nibafundzise from that age. What about the young people? What about the young girls, the teenage girls? Bona bangena kuphi, in this program?
Let's space science and innovation. I think the Minister of ICT is leading it well and setting up different programs around. Yes, the Academy of Sciences is more of a, angifuni ukuthi it's higher, but it covers almost everyone who fits the criteria.
Yeah.
But if you are not there yet, there are other structures that are helping you to grow up. Recently, I think a few weeks back, we were discussing the strategy for the newly launched WISET, which is the Eswatini chapter for women in science and engineering and technology in the country. So that is also one wing that will also work with the Academy of Sciences to empower women strictly.
Yes, yes.
And women empowerment is also a mandate for KIAS as well. So we can work very well with that organization. I think in the next year or two, we will have that fully functioning as well. If you look at the concept note, it mentioned a lot about ENYZ.
Yeah.
But also, we have just concluded the establishment or the drafting of the constitution for the Young Academy. The Young Academy is basically similar to KIAS, but for scientists who are still developing, who
but
don't
then-
qualify to
okay.
to be
Be part of the academy.
To be the yes.
Okay,
So
okay.
it's to say, let those people at least look up and also be empowered to get to that point,
Yeah.
so that at least we don't get a vacuum.
Yeah.
I noticed that in some other countries, actually, people in the academies of sciences are actually, you have to be above a certain age.
Okay.
I think it was in Algeria, you have to be above 60
Okay.
to be a member of.
Qualify.
Yes, because
Okay.
you have grown into the system. But
nice.
different countries have got those different. In our country, we prioritize the academy, your academic scholarship. because we don't have many retired scientists in the field. So for the younger academy now, those who don't qualify, they can still participate in that space by doing some of the mandates and empowering
Yeah.
other young people, even going all the way down to
the
promote
grassroots
STEM.
level.
Yes, to promote STEM side.
Doc, ngiyathi ukuthi singakhuluma lizelishona. Thank you so much for joining us today. Sitawuqhubeka na program bukeli Stabele stage siyobuka sive ukuthi luhamba kanjani uhlelo.